Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can decrease the file, you decrease decrease your video file size to to upload it over YouTube and without losing the quality. So in this video, we'll use one of the application named HandBrake. I'll show you how you can install it. So you have to just go to google.com. Once you are in the Google, you have to type HandBrake. So it's a open source video transcoder. The first link you have to click, download HandBrake. So I've already downloaded the HandBrake. Once you are downloaded, you have to just turn it on. So while I will turn the video on, first I will see my output folder where I have already generated a YouTube video, a video for myself. It is 2.64 GB. So I'll use HandBrake. I will show you what is the quality of this
So hi guys,
video.
I
So
hope
you can see the
I don't know so
quality
difficult.
what of the video.
So as you can see here,
So it is 2.64 GB. Once I have installed the handbrake, I will just open it. It looks something like this. You just need to drag and drop this YouTube video and click on start import. No need to do anything. After you click start import, it will show here how much time is remaining. You have to be on this tab itself. It will speed up the process. So guys, you can see that we are almost done with this video, and once it is completed, I'll show you the size of and I'll compare with you both the video size. So it is getting saved at videos, my video about using Hello Talk application. So it's already like 99% done. It's 100% done. Once it is completed, it will show here queue finished. So we'll quickly go and check out the video here. So it says we have to go to the video. So this is the video which has become 235 MB, and this was the original video. I'll play original video once.
so hi
So
guys,
this was the
I hope
original
you are
video, how
doing
it
good
was
so far.
being, how
So
it is,
so
you
in
can
this video,
see.
I'm going.
And quickly I will go and play the video which has got updated.
So hi guys, I hope you are
You
doing.
can, so using this you can see that there is a no change in the video quality at all, and the size had reduced from 2.6 GB or something. It was 2.64 GB, and the size is now 235 MB. So using this technique, you can easily convert all your big videos into small videos without losing quality, and then you can easily upload it to YouTube. This is a free to use software. You can download and follow the tutorial along with me, and this is how you can upload small file size YouTube videos. Thank you.